Do you struggle with feelings of nausea or motion sickness? In this video, I'll share a few natural solutions for motion sickness. I'm Mandy Sommers, a certified essential oils specialist. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I'm passionate about essential oil education, and I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the past 11 years. If you stick around to the end, you will have a chance to access my Essential Oil Made Easy class, and you can grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Nausea always seems to strike at the most inconvenient times. Whether you're traveling by car or by plane, some people are more prone to experience nausea caused by motion sickness. Fortunately, there are very specific essential oils for nausea that you can use in these unexpected moments. Keep watching to learn all about my favorite essential oils for motion sickness and nausea. So the very first oil we're going to talk about is ginger oil. Ginger oil is a great oil for motion sickness. This classic spice is one of the most highlighted essential oils for nausea related to motion sickness. Thanks to some of the chemicals and the components that are in this oil, ginger oil is capable of reducing occasional nausea when it strikes. Don't forget to slip this handy little oil into your travel bag where it can be easily accessible. All you have to do is simply add 1 to 2 drops of ginger oil to your water or your soda water or any other drink that you might have when you are trying to ease that discomfort. Now let's talk about mint oils. Mint oils are great for motion sickness. When you have an upset stomach on a road trip, you can take peppermint essential oil. Maybe you can put it in a capsule or even just directly into your mouth. If you don't have that oil readily available, but you do have the peppermint beadlets that doTERRA has, this can also help to tame that occasional stomach upset simply by popping 1 or 2 of those in your mouth. Now, if you find that peppermint oil is a little too strong, spearmint oil is a more mild and gentler mint oil for nausea and similar benefits. Fortunately, spearmint oil is also one that promotes healthy digestion and it helps to reduce the occasional stomach upset. This is a great option to use with your kids as they might struggle with motion sickness as it's a little bit tamer. Now, you can also turn to doTERRA's Digestin for motion sickness. If you experience some queasiness on the road or on a boat ride, you can fight this queasy feeling by using Digestin Digestive Blend. You can take this one internally, or you can even just rub it directly on your stomach. doTERRA's Digestive Blend also comes in a soft gel. Now, you can keep these soft gels, so it's the oil in a capsule, in your backpack or your purse for your vacations or those unexpected moments of discomfort. You can also try our Digestin Digest tabs. They're a little chewable tablet that helps to maintain stomach acid balance, and it's got some calcium carbonate in it. It also includes ginger oil, fennel oil, and coriander oil to ease the stomach discomfort. That's one thing I love about the Digestin products is they have all of the great products to ease that digestive support that you need. So there are a few other oils that I love to use when I am experiencing a little bit of motion sickness or nausea. I love grabbing our Tamer blend. That's in a roll-on and you can simply just roll that directly on your stomach. Anytime you're suddenly feeling nauseous, it's really great to have a few of these oils in your bag. Now let's kind of recap. Some great ones that you can actually breathe in or even put on topically would be ginger oil, peppermint oil, fennel oil, or coriander oil, and of course, doTERRA's Digestin. As you breathe these in, they're very soothing and they can also help really promote a sense of calm and help you be ready for the journey ahead. Now, if you're interested in purchasing any of these oils that I mentioned below, or even coming to one of my live trainings or joining my Facebook group where I do a lot of live trainings in there, go ahead and follow the link below. It's freebie time. You made it all the way through the video, which means I want to give you access to my free Essential Oils Made Easy class, along with getting my essential oils usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. You'll find those links in the description right underneath each other. Thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and give this this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!